Okay, thank you.
Do it slowly, yeah?
Very slow.
Very little stuff.
Yes. Normally the door flies out, but now he's doing a great job. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome in Woltje's Bakery. My name is Cor, and I'm going to tell you the story of Mrs. Woltje, who started this whole thing over here. Mrs. Woltje was married with a fisherman. They had 9 kids. It was late 1800, so he had to catch lots of fish. And she was baking bread and making chocolate, and she sold it to everybody in Volendam. One day, Mrs. Woltje went to Gouda. It's a city in the south of Holland. She was drinking a cup of coffee, and she got a cookie over there, and she was thinking, wow, that's a delicious cookie. And that was the famous stroopwafel. And she was thinking, she was a lady of course, I'm going to do it home and I'm going to do it better. And she was trying, and yes, it all worked. It's all starting with the dough. It's this. The recipe is very secret, of course. We use flour, butter, yeast, milk, sugar, 1 egg. And when it's going too fast, you can read it on the wall over there and make pictures of it. The only thing is, I want to see the results on Instagram, of course. And now one tiny little problem. I need someone who can help me because I work all day. Happily grown up because it's very warm over here. Can you help me over there? You were looking the other side. Come on. Come over here. Don't be shy.
Oh, you mean?
Come on. Big applause for the lady. There she goes.
I don't know how to get out.
Come. Ah, that's not that easy. Also okay. No problems here. Hello.
How can I help you?
We're going to make a waffle together.
Okay,
But
sounds good.
before we start, we have to use gloves. It's one size fits all, so that's no problem. And if you see, the lady has the blue one. I'm the only man in the shop, that's why I'm wearing black ones. Well, we start with this. Can you make a ball of this one? Just turn it right. See? Yeah, perfect. We put it in here, and then we wait for 1 minute. It's going down, down, down. Well, the real secret of our waffles is this. It's the caramel we use. We put a bit of cinnamon in the caramel and a little bit more butter. You can see it. It's Romy. Has anybody ever eaten stroopwafel before? And I don't mean in the shop upstairs, but at home or something? Yes? Well, I'm going to teach you something. I'm Dutch. People in Holland, they always are in a hurry. When you buy stroopwafel and you're at home, it's not a meaning. I take it out of the package, I eat it, and then I drink my coffee and we're going back to work. It's not the meaning of this one. You're at home. Take them out of the package and then you put it on top of your hot cup of tea or a hot cup of coffee for about 3-4 seconds. Then the caramel is getting warm and then it's perfect and you're going to taste it in a minute. Always get back first. And now we're going to work. She's going to work. I'm doing this one, okay? Wow. And we put it down here. Now you push it down, turn, and the crumbs in there, okay? Well, we are Dutch, and you know we don't throw anything away. Mrs. Woltje, she didn't throw anything away either. So where do you think these crumbs were going in the old days?
Oh, I made it.
Perfect.
Feed the fish.
She gave it to her husband. And you know why? He was a fisherman. He gave it to the fish. They love it. So when you're eating fish at the neighbors and you're thinking, I'm tasting cinnamon, it's correct. He has eaten our waffle. Very sharp knife. What's this? I put my knife in here. I don't do anything with this end. I just turn this one. And now it's your turn. Okay? It's going okay. going perfect. Serious. Flip it over. Big applause for the lady who did it.
Yeah.
I saw you are right-handed, so put this one on your left hand, and with your right hand, and put it on top of it. So you have to do it. Just stand a little bit closer. Much easier.
Too much.
No. A bit more. You have to turn. A bit more. Nobody's watching. Just do. Come on, a bit more. From there, in there. Yeah. Look at that. She doesn't know. She has to eat it. I'm not. No. This is perfect. This one over there. That one over here. And now the difficult part is coming. I've studied, of course. Watch. Your first waffle, you did it. Thank you. Big applause. Big applause. Now the other, don't run away. Don't run away. You made it, so now you have to taste it. Normally I'm looking, can I run, because I don't know how this one is tasting. Now I have to stand over here. Here you go. Are you with your husband? No?
No.
Well, eat it. Is it okay? Well, I'm gonna cut this one in little pieces so everybody can taste. Okay?
62 pieces.
62. I can manage that. No problems.
You have to make 3-4 cakes.
No problems. I can do that. Well, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's okay. No problems there. Now we can put our gloves in there. Yes, wait a moment. Not ready? You're right, not ready. But normally I'm always making fun of everything and jokes, but now something very serious is happening. I've been at school for many, many years to learn to bake cookies and do stuff like this. She's here for 1 minute and look what's happening. So she deserves something, I think.
Wow. I got certificate.
Of course.
Look at
It's not every day that I give something like that away. So here you go. Yes, well, not only that, you can start tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Is that okay? Thank you so much. Great job, great job. Well, the lady made the one with caramel. It's our traditional one. When we go upstairs, we got lots of different flavors, of course. And you have to remember this one. This is really important. In the green package, we got the one with honey, miele. In the middle, it's caramel. And in the blue package, the dangerous one for the ladies have told me, it's caramel and chocolate. Very tasteful. We also got 2 new flavors. It's the one with apple and the one with speculaas, as we call it. Well, this was my demonstration. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for your time. We eat this one. I'm going upstairs. Follow me and we're going to taste everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you.